According to reports, Foxy Brown is being considered as a crucial witness in the trial for the murder of Tupac. Greetings, everyone. Today, we will be delving into a significant subject matter in our video. Prosecutors are currently focusing their attention on rapper Foxy Brown as a vital witness in the trial for the murder of Tupac Shakur. Their belief is that her testimony has the potential to disprove the defense's assertion that the suspect, Dwayne Keefe D. Davis, was not present in Las Vegas on the night of Tupac's tragic death. Although Davis initially boasted about his involvement, he now denies any connection to the murder. Foxy Brown's testimony holds the possibility of providing crucial evidence that places Davis in Las Vegas during that fateful evening. Without any further delay, let us now proceed with our discussion. Prosecutors are actively pursuing rapper Foxy Brown to serve as a key witness in the murder trial of the renowned rap legend Tupac Shakur. According to prosecutors, the evidence provided by Foxy could play a vital role in undermining a key defense argument put forth by the accused individual, Dwayne Keefe D. Davis, age 60, who maintains his innocence regarding his alleged involvement in Tupac's death in 1996. It is stated that Foxy, also known as Inga DeCarlo Fung Ma Chan, was present in Las Vegas on September 7, 1996, socializing with Davis's associates just before Tupac was targeted and fatally shot by members of the Southside Crip gang. Davis's legal defense revolves around the argument that there is insufficient evidence to prove his presence in the gambling mecca on the specific night in question, and that his claim of being a shot caller was fabricated for personal gain and recognition. According to exclusive sources from the US Sun, it has been revealed that the Clark County District Attorney's Office is in the process of compiling a list of witnesses to support their argument that Davis was present in Las Vegas and involved in plotting the assassination. According to multiple sources providing information to the prosecution, it has been revealed that Foxy had seen Davis and had even engaged with him shortly before the shooting incident involving Tupac. Surprisingly, Davis, who currently claims that any statement he made about Tupac was false, proudly mentioned his encounter with Foxy in his memoir titled Compton Street Legend. Prosecutors in charge have reached out to Foxy, renowned for her popular songs like Get Me Home featuring Blackstreet, requesting her presence as a witness during the trial scheduled for November. According to a reliable source within the Metro, there are ongoing confidential discussions regarding the possibility of Foxy serving as a witness during the trial. Her presence on the witness stand or her willingness to provide a statement regarding her memories of being in the presence of the individuals who allegedly accompanied her before embarking on the fateful act of ending Tupac's life could be of utmost importance. It is crucial to determine whether she possesses any recollections of Keefe, as this will undoubtedly play a central role in her involvement in the trial. The prosecutors are well aware that obtaining reliable and unbiased confirmation of Keefe's presence in Vegas would greatly strengthen their case. This would effectively dismantle Keefe's defense, as his lawyer has been asserting that there is no evidence of his client's presence in the location. As the insider continued, they emphasized that Foxy had a multitude of intricate factors to carefully take into consideration. Participating in this trial would undoubtedly attract significant attention to her, but it may not necessarily portray her in a favorable manner. Furthermore, the individuals she associated with during that time possessed diverse backgrounds and lifestyles. One additional consideration would involve the act of testifying, which would require her to endure cross-examination, potentially leading to inquiries about personal aspects of her life that may be recent or even shocking. It is important to remember that Foxy also has a criminal history, as evidenced by his conviction for assaulting 2 nail stylists back in 2006. According to the source, only a select few district attorneys and team members are privy to the undisclosed interactions with Foxy, ensuring their secrecy. The memoir Compton Street Legend by Dwayne Davis mentions that Foxy, a renowned performer from the 90s, was present in Las Vegas on the night Tupac died. However, no concrete information has been verified regarding the evidence she may or may not provide. During a meeting with the late New York City socialite and party planner Eric Zip Martin, it was noted by him that Foxy was in attendance. According to Davis's account, Martin supplied a firearm to his group of Southside Crips, which included his own nephew, Orlando Anderson. In a highly publicized statement, the incarcerated criminal has alleged that Anderson utilized the Glock firearm to carry out the murder of the renowned rap artist in a drive-by shooting close to the iconic Vegas Strip. Prosecutors are presenting Davis's autobiography as evidence in the trial, where he alleges that Foxy was present in the car with Martin prior to the exchange of the gun. Within the chapter titled The Main Event, Davis recounts his encounter with Martin, who happened to be accompanied by Foxy in a luxurious Mercedes-Benz. Although the exact location is not mentioned, it seems evident that the meeting took place near the valet drop-off at the MGM Grand Casino. Upon approaching the driver's side window, Davis observed the presence of Foxy Brown, the rapper, inside the vehicle alongside Zip. He directed her to exit the vehicle while signaling for me to quickly enter. Zip revealed a concealed compartment from which he retrieved a black .40 Glock with a swift motion. Facing me directly, he uttered the words, "The moment has arrived to acquire the funds." Without hesitation, I placed the 17-shot pistol that Zip had given me securely tucked into the waistband at the back of my pants. Exiting the vehicle swiftly, I graciously held the door open for Foxy Brown to re-enter, promptly closing it before they swiftly drove away. In his memoir and various media interviews, Davis boldly asserted that his gang embarked on a relentless pursuit of Tupac while cruising through the streets of Las Vegas. On November 4th, the trial will commence, where he will vehemently deny any involvement in Tupac's murder. In an attempt to gain fame and financial gain, Davis has allegedly fabricated his entire involvement in Tupac's death, according to his lawyer Carl Arnold. Arnold argues that his client cannot be convicted solely on the basis of his confessions, emphasizing the necessity of corroborating evidence. Furthermore, Arnold firmly asserts that there is no proof indicating Keef's presence in Las Vegas on that particular night. Representatives of Foxy Brown have been contacted by the US Sun in order to obtain a comment. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.